In this video, I'm going to show you how to join two pieces of crochet with slip stitch. I'm going to be using Rah Raffia in Cinnamon Dust and Rah Raffia in Desert Palm, and a 4.5mm crochet hook. Okay, let's get started. So now I'm going to join two vertical edges together. So as before, you want to lay your pieces together with the wrong sides touching, and then we're going to be working through these edge stitches to create your seam. So you want to take your 4.5mm crochet hook and your yarn. Again, I'm using a contrast colour, but you should use the same colour as your piece. And then you want to insert your crochet hook between those two end stitches. So you want to go through your top layer first, and then through the second layer. And then creating a loop with your yarn as before, you want to hook that onto your crochet hook and then pull it through. So you have one loop of your yarn on your hook, and then you want to go into the next space down on the next row, so this hole here. You're going to insert through the first layer and then through the second and pull through the yarn. So now you have two loops of your yarn on your hook, and again you're going to pull that first loop nearest your hook through the other one, and then we're going to repeat that process down the side. So you insert the hook between those two edge stitches, pull through a piece of your yarn, and then pull that through the other loop on your hook. So we'll do that one more time. So you go through the first layer and then through the second layer, pull through a piece of the yarn, and then pull it through the loop already on your hook. So then you want to repeat that process until you reach the end of your seam. So once you reach the end of your seam, your piece should look like this, and then you simply want to cut the yarn, leaving a tail that you can weave in later, and then pull on your hook to pull the end through and secure the last stitch. So your vertical join should look something like this, and you can see it from the other side there. So that's how you join two pieces of crochet using slip stitch. Head over to our YouTube channel for lots more handy hints and tutorials, and thanks for watching.